The way your customers find you is changing overnight, and your current marketing agency is probably ignoring it. High paying, busy clients are stopping their standard Google searches. They aren't scrolling through pages of ads anymore. Instead, they are opening ChatGPT and asking it to just tell them who the best business in town is. If your business is not being recommended by ChatGPT, you are becoming invisible to the wealthiest, highest intent buyers in your market. I wanted to see exactly how this works in the real world. So I opened ChatGPT and typed provide me with a list of the top 10 dentists in Dallas, Texas. Today, I am going to show you exactly who won, what their websites look like, and the hidden reasons why ChatGPT's artificial intelligence picked them over the 500 other dentists in the city. Let's look at the live results. ChatGPT didn't just give me a random list, it gave me specific clinics with detailed reasons why they are the best. It looked at the entire internet in 3 seconds and made a definitive executive decision. Let's look at the number one recommendation. Why did ChatGPT pick them? It is not because they have the most expensive, flashy website. Artificial intelligence cannot see beautiful designs. Your SEO guy, who is stuffing keywords at the bottom of your website pages, is playing a game from 2018. ChatGPT doesn't care how many times you wrote the word dentist on your homepage. It cares about your global digital footprint. So, here are the results from ChatGPT. So, let us pick up a business. For now, I will pick Highlands Family Dentistry. So, let us search this name on Google and let us see what we get. So, here I have searched this name on Google, and first I can see their Google My Business page with over 1400 reviews. So here is their Google Business page, and here I can see that there are a lot of reviews, almost 1420, and most of them are 5-star. And apart from this, they have also put a decent amount of images on their Google Business page. So they are working on their Google Business profile. But apart from that, if I will open their website, so here I can see that their website is not top notch. Even I can see that there is a technical error in their website, that the text is hiding behind this appointment form. So there are errors in the website, and this is not a hi-fi flashy website. But here what I can see, that they have included a detailed information about their business on their website. Also, when I will hover my mouse to services, so there I will see that there are multiple page inside services page, and if I will open any of the page, then there is a detailed information about that particular service on that page. So this means for all their services that they are providing, they have created a separate page for each of the service. So their website have a lot of information about their business. Now, apart from website, I have also noticed something else. They have their website, they are on Google My Business, but apart from this, they are on other websites as well, such as Facebook, Yelp, Instagram, and there are a lot of other websites in which their business is listed. And the most important part, which a lot of business ignores, is their name is same at all the platforms. So here we can see that the name is Highlands Family Dentistry. In their website also, the name is Highlands Family Dentistry. In their Google My Business page also, the name is same. In Yelp also, the name is same, which is Highlands Family Dentistry. As well as in Instagram also, the name is same. So this is a very simple thing, but a lot of business ignore this, and they put different names across different platforms, and the AI get confused. So by seeing in this business, we can see that there is no rocket science to list ourselves on AI search engine, but there are some basic things in which we have to work on. Now back to the video. When the AI scans the web, it sees a massive, consistent web of trust pointing back to this exact clinic. If your business is listed as Dallas Dental on Google, but Dallas Dental Clinic LLC on Yelp, the AI gets confused. And AI does not recommend businesses it is confused by. This is the new reality of digital marketing. If a CEO moves to your city and asks ChatGPT for the best corporate lawyer, the best luxury home builder, or the best cosmetic dentist, they are going to trust the AI's answer completely. They aren't going to double check page 4 of Google to see if you exist. If ChatGPT doesn't hand them your name, you just lost a $20,000 client and you won't even know it happened. Getting recommended by AI isn't an accident. It requires a flawless digital architecture. It requires deep, authoritative PR. It requires a website built for machine readability, not just human eyes. You cannot click artificial intelligence with cheap SEO clicks. You need to build a real, unshakable digital authority. If you are an established business owner, a clinic founder, or a CEO, your job is not to sit at a desk trying to structure your website data for ChatGPT. Your job is to run your company. My team at NKM Digital specializes in this exact transition. We build elite digital architectures and authoritative search strategies designed to put your business in front of high intent premium clients, whether they are searching on standard Google or asking AI. Stop letting your competitors steal the most profitable clients in your city just because their digital footprint is better organized than yours. Click the link in the description below to book a private strategy audit with me. We will look at your current digital footprint, see if AI knows you exist, and build the blueprint to dominate your market. Click the link below and let's get to work.